friends, welcome in our Sunda class today. The topic is Sundanese traditional art. Do you know, friends? Sundanese tribes are living in many different places in West Java. That's why there are so many different traditional arts from Sundanese. The popular one is wayang golek, and there are some different traditional dance like tari jaipong or tari ketuk tilu, and also they have some traditional music instrument like kecapi, angklung, or rampak gendang. Wow, isn't it interesting, friends? Okay, now I want you to perform one of traditional art from Sundanese, such as play music instruments or perform traditional dance.
Ayo, Mang Duyer.
And even singing a Sundanese song.
Dinganana dipika gimir dipika serepku sasama taya karempan kasieun lebar wawanena manuk dadali manuk penggagahna parlambang sakti Indonesia.
Okay, kids, for your assignment, choose one of Sundanese traditional art, perform it well, and record it in the short video. You may submit it in Google Class or to me. Good luck, friends!